Okay, good afternoon. I thought I'd do a bit of a video on my attire. So the fishy wishy there, this is by PROLOGIC. Show you that. Okay. I think it's a double XL. Let me just double check for you, because I'm absolutely roasted in this. So it's a two-part suit. Probably. Yeah, 2XL. Alright, and this fits perfectly. Okay, so let's go into it very quickly. So it's made by PROLOGIC. I bought two of these. One is a waterproof one. I believe this is waterproof. I will double check for you. It's a two-part suit. A zippy dungarees. They go all the way down. And the zip is opposite as well, so you can go up with the zip. So if you want to go for a widdly woo, as they do. Got two front pockets, two side pockets. I can't see any rear pockets, but the trousers, if I step back as well, you can see me, but from here, from just below my knee, there's a zip that goes all the way down with Velcro fasteners at the bottom as well. Okay, it's got an internal pocket, one side. It's got adjustable waistband. Anything else I think I got at the moment? Oh, a zippy pocket here at the top, a chest pocket, two side, that's it, and then another side pocket there as well. Alright, so it's a fishing jacket, I would presume, but anybody can sort of wear it. It doesn't really matter, does it? I'll just sit down with you guys. Right, I don't know what the temperature is right now. I'm just getting over a cold, so I thought I'd better put this on just to keep myself nice and healthy and warm. It's like wearing, what do they call it? A 12 tog quilt? It's that. When I put it on down the house, I had to take it off when I got in the van thinking, oh, I can't cope with this, it's too hot. But now we're out in the woods, it's alright. Okay, you got Velcro cuffs as well, so that makes it nice and tight. I mean, I'm not saying you could, I'm not saying you couldn't, but I could sit here for quite a few hours and not feel the cold. The only thing I'm feeling on at the moment is my face. But it's also got a hood, and if I can grab hold of it, it's also got a peak on the hood, which is like a rain peak. I don't know why it's all crumpled up. I'll have to look into that one, if you see what I mean. Oh, it's got the fasteners on it. Hold on. There we go. There you go. So it's got a neck Velcro. You've got adjustables at the side for the hood. As you can see, it goes even over my cap, and you've got a peak cap, a rain cap as well. So when I get back, I'll look at all the statistics and I'll put it in the link in the description down below. I've got nothing to do with the company. I bought this a couple of years ago with the other one. Well, I bought the one and I was so impressed with that one. So I was looking and I thought, oh, I'll buy another one. Because you know you can. And not only that, it was for the suit. I think it was, I think they are now about £89. So that's not bad going, really, is it? So PROLOGIC fishing suit. I presume it's carp fishing or whatever. I like fishing. I like trout fishing, like stuff like that. So it's like, what do you call it? I like fishing for food, should I put that, or for the fight. But I don't get many fish, so I wouldn't worry about it. I keep getting told that. I said, oh, we're not going fishing. And they go, well, you don't catch anything. Alright, but it's fun anyway, just sitting there. I did the other day, we went to a lake in Wales, and my lad came, and I caught about a 3.5 pound, 4 pound trout, and you're allowed to keep what you catch, because it's specially stocked and everything, and it was beautiful actually. And he went off, he come back, he was in the boat, come back with his mate, and he goes, oh, have you caught anything? I went, yeah, I have actually, 4 pound trout. And he was like, no you haven't. Why don't they ever believe you? Your kids never believe you, do they? So I showed him this trout, and as he was looking at it, I got back and I said, like, he goes, oh, I got another one. No, you haven't, Dad. Why are you lying? It's on the end of me bloody hook. And I'm like, this is the funny bit. So, he gets hold of my rod. It's a fly rod, you can only fly fish. So he's flying away and he goes, bloody hell Dad, this rod's nice, it's light and everything, it goes really well, doesn't it? I went, yeah. Didn't catch anything, about 10 casts. And he says to his mate, so I go back to the van, because I caught another one while he was there. So I go back to the van to drop this other fish off. And the time I got back, he had lent my rod to his mate. His mate then cast, second cast, got another trout. So I did jip him after that. I did give him some stick. I was like, okay, you know, I said, do you want to buy my van off me? I said, I'll tell you what, I'll throw a trout in while I'm at it. I haven't been trouble with the van at the time. Right, so this is it really. So this is a PROLOGIC. I suppose it's about, at the moment, I haven't got temperature on me, have I? Let's have a quick look on my other phone. No, I haven't got it. It's probably about 5 centigrade, something like that. So it's getting cool, but I'm as warm as toast. So if anybody's interested in, I'll put a link in the description down below. It was off eBay, they're about £89. This one I think, me personally for fishing, whether it'd be better or not, I don't know, because the other one's quite crinkly. So I've seen an advert before I bought it, that people were throwing buckets of water over other people wearing the suit, which is great, you know, because that means it's totally waterproof. Excuse me. But if you're sneakily, you know, you don't want the fish to see you or hear you, then you're better off with this one, because this is a more softer material. It's not as crinkly. The other one's quite. So anyway, there you go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. The likes help the algorithm on the channel. It pushes the channel, because at the moment we're YouTube sort of, I don't know, YouTube's whatever they're doing. YouTube is. I like YouTube anyway, so I'm not going to complain. There we go. Take care. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one. All the best.